Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading Passage H, The Mountains, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The bird flew along the river, following the gentle curve that stretched into the distance. The river led up the great valley before ending at the foot of the mountains. Here the river became a stream, and still the bird followed it. It had to flap and climb now, rising with the land. Eventually the trees thinned out, and it came to its nest high in the hills. The wind was stronger here, but the air was cooler, safe from danger and the snakes in the jungle below. Questions. What was the bird doing? Why did the bird have to flap and climb? What is it in sentence 4? Why had the bird chosen this location for its nest? Now let's check the answers. What was the bird doing? The bird was flying along a river. It says so in the first sentence. We could also say the bird was flying to its nest, as that is where it was going. It mentions the nest here later in the text. Why did the bird have to flap and climb? Because its nest was in the hills. It mentions in the hills here. It also says that the land beneath it rose higher. Here, it had to flap and climb now, rising with the land. So a second reason you could give. What is it in sentence 4? Here is the word it. It is the bird. Why had the bird chosen this location for its nest? The answer is in the final sentence. The air was cooler there. The location was also safe from danger and the snakes in the jungle below. Here's that sentence in the text. Thank you for your time. How did you go?